Hey Cajun foodies, this is Chef Tootie, and on the menu today, dry rub Cajun wings. These are spicy, tender, and keto friendly. Yes, you heard that right. Keto friendly, high protein. Before the kitchen opens, make sure you like the video, subscribe to become a Cajun foodie, and hit the bell so you know when the kitchen is open. In this kitchen, you can find some yummy, authentic Cajun dishes. My goal is to not only show you, but to educate you. Shout out to all the new Cajun foodies, and much love to the loyal Cajun foodies. No shopping today, so the kitchen is open. I purchased these chicken wings from my local Walmart. They were $16 for about 5 pounds. Thank goodness chicken wings are going back down. These are whole chicken wings. You can keep them whole or you can split them and remove the tip. I chose to split them and remove the tip. Splitting and removing the tip requires you to cut between the chicken joints through the tendons. So make sure you're using a sharp knife. It's going to make cutting so much easier. With a sharp knife, it cuts right through the tendon, so you don't have to worry about trying to force yourself to cut through the bone. The joint of the chicken connects one part of the chicken to the other part. The tendon is right in the middle of that joint. So with a sharp knife, you can cut straight through it. With these tips, you can make a nice chicken stock if you want, or you can just discard them. Now, I know this is controversial, but for me, as for my kitchen, we wash our chicken over here. But that's your chicken, so you do what you want to do. After I wash the chicken, I dry it completely. Now that the chicken is dry, I'm going to mix those spices together. When you dry the chicken before seasoning the chicken, the seasoning sticks to it better. The spices that I used are in the description box below. Now that all the seasoning have been combined, I'm going to give this a nice stir. Make sure I'm incorporating all of the spices together. Next, I'm going to take the spice mixture and I'm going to slowly pour it into the oil, making sure that I am dissolving any lumps that may appear. For this recipe, I used olive oil. You are free to use whatever type of oil that you want. The oil is going to help crisp up the chicken while it's in the oven. So I'm just going to take this paste and just pour right on the chicken. Give it a good mix. I want the wings to be coated evenly with the spices and herbs. So I'm going to toss it around a few times. Then after that, once they look all nice and seasoned, I'm going to take them, place them in the refrigerator for about 2 hours and then pull them back out. I used oil in the paste to ensure that the wings didn't dry out during the cooking process. I sprayed the wire rack to ensure that the wings didn't stick to the wire rack. The flavor is all in the skin, so we don't want to lose that skin at all. Once my wings have been chilling for those 2 hours, I'm going to use some vegetable oil and I'm going to spray a wire rack. Now, I should have used 2 wire racks, but I was lazy. So you're about to see me struggle to place all these wings on a wire rack instead of just using 2. But like I said, I'm lazy. So be better than me. Don't be like me. After rearranging these wings 11 times, I think I'm finally ready to go ahead and place them in the oven now. But ideally, you want them to be more spread out than this. But listen, listen, I just needed them on this wire rack and go ahead now. Also, please preheat your oven to 450 degrees before you finish the wings so you don't have to be like me and wait for the oven to heat up. Cooking time varies depending on your oven settings. I'm going to bake these wings at 450 degrees for about 25 minutes. Then I'm going to remove them, flip them over, and then bake them again for an additional 25 minutes. After about 50 minutes, I'll place them in a broiler for about 8 minutes just so they can crisp up a little bit.
For Ash's trivia.
Did y'all know that the average person can eat over 17,000 chicken wings in a lifetime? Now listen, I can throw some chicken wings back, but dang, I didn't know it was that much. What we don't want to do is cook the wings too long. We have to remember that wings are white meat just like breasts, and it's nothing worse than eating dry white meat. I hope I'm saying it right. Now on to our plating. Like I always say, plating is important. People eat with their eyes. You can take these wings and pair them with rice, potatoes, spinach, whatever you want, and they're so good, y'all. If you try this recipe, come back and let me know how it was for you. Because to me, it's not too salty. It has the right amount of spice, but I can be biased because I did make it myself. If you made it to the end of the video, comment the chef emoji. You're a real one, and I appreciate all of you for taking the time out to watch my videos. You are literally watching my dream in progress. Thank you for playing a part in that. Please, please, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe to become a Cajun foodie. Until next time, foodies, the kitchen is closed. Now get out, but come back when it's open again.